Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing wonderful. Thank you so much for taking the time of today's watching video. If you love easy, creative and budget friendly DIY crafts, then you are in the perfect place. Today I'll show you how to transform a simple bottle into beautiful handmade decoration. So let's get started. Every beautiful craft starts with a simple idea, and today's project is a perfect example for that. I'm using an ordinary bottle turned into a lovely home decoration with jute rope and few decorative items. Before starting, make sure the bottle is clean and completely dry. This small step is very important because it is helps the glue stick properly and give a smooth finishing. Now applying glue a little by a little instead of covering the whole bottle at once. This makes wrapping the jute rope much easier and keep everything neat. I carefully wrap the rope around the bottle, making sure there are no gaps between the layers. This part requires little patience, but don't rush. Handmade crafts always look beautiful when you take your time and enjoy the process. Now the bottle is completely covered by jute rope, and it's time for the most exciting part, decorate. I am adding ribbons, flowers, beads, pine cones and a few Christmas decoration. You can decorate your bottle in your own style and use any colors you like. One thing is really love about DIY craft is that every project become unique. Even if two people use the same materials, the final design will always look different because creativity has no limits. Handmade decorating also make wonderful gift for family and friends. A handmade gift always carries about love, care and effort, making it much more special than something bought from a store. If you're enjoying today's video, please don't forget to like it. It only takes a second, but it really helps my channel grow and encourages me to keep making more creative videos. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I share easy DIY craft ideas that anyone can make it at home. Be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. You never miss my upcoming video. I'll also love your comments. I tell which part of today's craft was your favorite and DIY projects you don't like to see. Your ideas inspire me to my future videos, and who's know, your suggestion might be featured in my next upload. Thank you for always supporting me in every view, every like, every comment and every subscription means more than you can imagine. Your encourages keeps me motivated to create better content every time. Remember, you don't need expensive materials to make something beautiful. With a little creativity, patience and imagination, simple thing can become amazing handmade art. Keep believing in your creativity, keep trying new designs, ideas and never be afraid to make mistakes. Every craft teach us something new and help us improve. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I truly hope you enjoyed today's video, bottle decoration, and found some inspiration for your own project. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment because I love you read your comment. And I may mention name in next video. Stay creative, stay positive, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Take care. Goodbye.